it's your travel agent David, and today we're in LAX's International Terminal. Now there's an A, a B, and a C. So you're gonna have these kiosks, and you're gonna find your airline, and it's gonna give you numbers, and like A 31 through 36, or B whatever, or C whatever, and then you just find the corresponding large letters on the walkways, like that, and then you just find the numbers, and you go in. Now they have a bunch of these little kiosks right here that you can do yourself check-ins as well. Very well organized, very neat. They have a coffee bean and tea leaf restaurant here as well. And we're gonna go figure out some more stuff to do around here. The sun's bright. Now when you get here and you've checked in, you're gonna follow the sign that's at the end. So the entrance is behind us. Go all the way to the back wall. There'll be a sign that says security checkpoint. You're gonna follow it up, and you're gonna go upstairs to go through the security checkpoint. Cool thing, if you're TSA pre-checked, you go to the left. They have a VIP lane for you. If you don't have TSA pre-check, then you have to go over here to the right. If you need some cash, right on the backside of B, there's a Bank of America ATM right there. Over by the TSA pre-check at the back end of A is a pizza place and a Hudson's bookstore. Now once you're upstairs, you're going to go to the right and you're going to follow the sign. I can't record the security area, but it's your basic checkpoint. you get through security, if you're going to gates 130 to 146, you're going to go to your right. If you're going to 147 or higher, you're going to go to your left. Now on this side, they have a couple of coffee shops. They have a little snack shack in the back end. There's an America store and an LA store. There's bathrooms on the entry point into the section and down here right by gate 133.
We will not tolerate incoherence.
And what trip to LA would be complete without your C's candy? So on the backside of the fan shop and to me, they have this cool little seating area, and they have outlets in the chairs as well, so you can plug in your work, whatever you need to charge. They got some tables so you can work. Pretty cool. And you can look at the planes come and go. So I was just kind of curious how much a shot, right, an ounce and a half would cost if I bought that $65,000 bottle of whiskey, which Keisha would kill me. But you can get 24 shot glasses out of that bottle, and it would cost you $2,708 per shot. If I did that, I would get shot. the gates 150 to 159, you do have a Starbucks. There's a Hollywood Reporter. There's a little nail spot as well, a little bake shop, a sweet shop, and then there is a place that if you forgot some electronics, they have a lot of electronic items. So if you forgot earbuds, chargers, things like that, there's a place for you. Bathrooms, the beginning, middle, and end as well. If you're going to go to gates 201 to 235, you have to go down these escalators. You have to walk underneath the tarmac and get to the next building. Unfortunately, I only have 30 minutes till we start boarding, and if it takes 10 minutes to go there and 10 minutes to get back, it doesn't give me much time to do anything in between, so I won't be able to do 201 through 225. But you can probably find a good map on the LAX website. That completes our time at LAX International Terminal, Terminal B. If you have any questions about it, you probably find every answer you need on the LAX website. If you have any questions about it, let me know and I'll do what I can to answer them for you. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure you hit that like and subscribe button.